Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add someone on Zoho People. Once you're on your Zoho People dashboard, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the plus in the top right hand corner that says Quick Actions. Then you're going to tap on Employee. After selecting Employee, you're going to tap on Add Employee in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can see invitation, so user with any email can be added. An invitation email will be sent to the user and they will become active once they accept the invite. Or you can add users from Zoho Mail and you can see the different options right there. Let's say we were to select user with any email. After you have done that, you can put in the employee ID. You can simply tap on generate. So for example, 123. After doing that, you can scroll down, you can add in the employee first name. So for example, I'll call the employee Earl. So I'll type that in right there. And you can also add in their last name. And then you'll add in their email address. After you have added in their email address, from there you can tap on create and you'll be able to create the employee. After doing that, you'll be able to edit their user data and you can also set up alerts. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.